The RYOBI ONE+ HP Compact Brushless 4-Mode half-inch impact wrench. ONE+ HP technology delivers up to 275 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, while being 35% lighter and 26% more compact. 4-mode speed control lets the user choose the speed setting best suited for the job, and the compact size provides access to deliver that power, no matter where the job is. Equipped with tri-beam LEDs for increased visibility in low-light work areas, and a durable die-cast gear case that stands up to the most demanding applications. The RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ HP Compact Brushless 4-Mode half-inch impact wrench. Part of the ONE+ system,